Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to replace my Craftsman 5 horsepower 25 gallon compressor with this 10 gallon Goodyear from Walmart. Now, this is not a voluntary replacement. It's not like I said, oh gee, I really want to get a smaller, less powerful air compressor. But I did film a video, and it'll be separate, but basically this compressor started blowing the fuse. I disassembled everything that I can do myself, and nothing I did fixed it. So I pretty much decided that it's that electrical motor that's causing the problem, and repairing that is out of my skill set. And I don't know, replacing it is an option. I need to look and see. But I found this Walmart.com for 149 bucks, and I thought, you know, I at least need a compressor for now, even if I am able to fix that one. So I grabbed this yesterday, and we'll do an unboxing and set it up. This one's an oil-free, and it seems to have a couple features that are an improvement over the old one, such as the quarter turn valve for draining. Downsides, obviously it's 1.5 horsepower and 10 gallons. The flow is quite a bit less. So the old one says it did 9.1 at 40 psi. This one does 4.8, and the other one did 7.1 at 90. So, you know, almost double. So I didn't realize that I had that nice of a compressor until I started looking to replace it. And I was shocked that everything out there is nowhere near comparison. So, but I think this will do what I need it to do. I mean, basically, you know me, I do a little bit of painting up here, you know, refill tires once in a while, that sort of thing. I'm not a heavy air tool user. I'm not running a compressor, you know, 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, that sort of thing. So I think this will work. And my buddy Panzer Platform's already telling me that I should have gotten the quiet ones, and you know, I did look at quite a few compressors, and obviously the quiet ones have about 20 decibels less sound than these, but they're also $100 more, or even more expensive than that. And you know, I'm trying to be on a budget, so this is going to be it. Instructions. Interestingly enough, there's no instructions included for how to assemble it. It says installation and assembly, but it doesn't talk about putting the stuff out. So basically we're going to take this and put that through the tire, put it in there, lock washer, and nut, and snug that up. Same thing with this one. And from what I can tell, the tires, I'm putting the specs on the outer side. It's a 17 millimeter bolt and nut. I'm just going to hand snug that tight enough that it won't fall off. The handle, it looks like it slides here and goes on the inside on both sides. And then you want to line it up. Screw holes. Rear one in first. there you go. It is top heavy, and this is the first time I've had an upright, so maybe that's normal for them to feel that way. I definitely like the feel of the Craftsman better. And the moment of truth, let's turn it on and see just how loud this is. So there you go. I would say it's about equally as loud as the Craftsman, and it seems to fill up pretty quick, as you saw. So that's a good sign. The close down procedure, they say, is to drain it from here until it's at 20 psi and then drain the bottom the rest of the way. There's the drain. That's just that quarter turn like that. So basically open, closed. Hope this unboxing and review was helpful. Appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.